All right, so we need to wrap these edges on this hood. These ones look a little rough. We'll have to do some heat there. Actually, just like that, they already look better. So because I did this hood bulk, we do need to cut these corners. So we're going to take our blade and just give that a quick little snap. And we're just going to trim that. Come in there like that. Now that we have done that part, now that we've done that, we're going to take a heat gun. And just finish off those edges. And then afterwards, you can go around from the inside and torch upwards and just set those in place permanently. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for following along, guys, for day 21 of 365 days. Well, that's another hood PPF job done. See you guys tomorrow.